Alrighty, I'm out here at San Domingo. Tammy and I have our cab over camper today. We bought a El Cheapo used, not everything working, but we got to fix it camper. Yeah, we're out here at San Domingo. And looky, there's Tammy.
Hey y'all.
And the cab over. It's windy.
Yes.
We got all the chihuahuas. A little bit of noise with the wind. Look at that girl tote that cooler. Woohoo! Sorry about the wind, but it is what it is. This whole area has been dry washed. You can look right here. See all the dry wash tailings? Yep. All this was done by the old timers. And some done by the newer timers. And we're going to metal detect here a little bit. So we don't have to go very far. Just walk out the back door. We just wanted to get out. And there's the jackass on top of the hill. Yep, right there. And we just decided to get out for a little bit with the chihuahuas. Get the stink blown off, so to speak. So, we're getting set up. We're going to get the fire going and get ready to have some supper. It's kind of late in the afternoon. And I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Campfire's burning. Dutch oven sitting next to the fire. Tammy's going to cook us some nice Dutch oven cooking. What are you making?
Fried potatoes with squash, onions, and kielbasa sausage.
Ooh, don't you think this fat boy don't eat good? We got a pile of wood. Our old junky, new old, to us, junky old, really nice, cool, whatever you want to call it, camper. Isn't the prettiest thing in the world, but you know what, to be honest with you, you go out and buy a brand new one or whatever, and you take it out here in the desert, and you're going to destroy it.
Actually, it's cute inside. Show them a little bit of inside. It's cute.
She thinks it's cute. All right, there's the inside. It's perfect.
Now show them the sink and stuff.
The toy hauler and stuff, we actually have to unhook it before you get way out there. It just won't handle getting way back in the outback. And with this camper, we can go pretty far back into the Netherlands. Yeah, alrighty. Well, I'll be back in a bit. We're going to hunt some in the morning. We're not going to hunt this afternoon. We're just going to relax a little bit and enjoy the campfire and make some supper. Got a few other people out here driving around. Pretty quiet though today. It's kind of cold. Us Arizona folks don't like cold weather, and it's supposed to get down to what, 38 tonight or something. And we got all 4 chihuahuas with us.
Dixie, are you cold?
Dixie Lee is cold. Got no hair. All right, folks. We'll see you again in a little bit here. Alrighty, there's our campfire, as you've seen already. And right here we're starting some coals up. And it's going to be our little Dutch oven pit right here. I swear, folks, sometimes I just come camping just so I can get that girl to cook outside. Yep. Over the distance there we got red picacho. And it's a volcanic plug, basically. Just beautiful country out here. We don't see these puffy clouds very often. We've been getting some rain, so yeah, that's why it's windy. Sorry about the wind noise, but it is what it is. I'll film a little more tonight. Hopefully tomorrow the wind will calm down and we'll be able to share a hunt with you and maybe even get some gold. Don't know. We're just kind of out doing a maiden voyage and finding out what works and doesn't work in the camper. So far, pretty much nothing works, but that's what happens when you grab up on something old like this for next to nothing. So we got some work to do on the heater, and we got to work on the fridge. It doesn't work, but we do have burners for the stove, so we can have coffee in the morning and whatnot. And we have a little bitty water pump, so we do have water.
They can't see it from there, honey.
Life's cool.
You probably should come in and
Okay, she's making me come in. This is it.
The little table.
Woohoo.
And the bed up here.
We're styling and smiling.
Refrigerator right here.
That doesn't work.
But we got to get it fixed.
Yeah, pretty good storage space. Not bad. At first, Tammy thought I was going to go buy a little cab over thing and not an actual camper. She was going, I'm not staying in that thing. And she saw this, she went, her first words when she saw it all and looked at the bed, she went, oh, like that. So she realized that, yeah, it's actually a pretty cool little gizmo. We got 2 dogs inside and we got 2 dogs outside. How come you guys aren't cold yet? Anyway, view out the back door. Can you hear the taters? This is our little Dutch oven spot. Again, there's our fire. Hey, and there's that woman that's cooking. That's what it's all about. Lots more stuff. Yeah. There's a bunch of it right there on the chair. Looky there. There's some squash and
yellow squash, onion, and beef kielbasa sausage.
Oh, 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 oh. The wind's calmed down a little bit. It's still blowing pretty good. Look at this, man. Oh. Now she's going to let that cook down, and then the kielbasa's going in there, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it's going to go in just a few minutes. Add some more seasoning.
Dutch oven cooking, folks. If you've never done it, you need to try it. Big part of camp is just getting out there with a Dutch oven.
But if you are friends with me, any of y'all are friends with me on Facebook, you know I cook a lot.
If anybody ever seen my belly, you know she cooks a lot.
Or my belly. I've gained like 15 pounds since I got with him.
All right, we'll be back. Not much else to say. Look at that. Camp cooking at its finest. Oh my, my. Fishing to have a nice sunset too, folks. I like showing you the same view over and over just because it's so amazing here. Just let me know what you need, I'll do it.
I don't know, I might need it a little hotter.
A little hotter, I got that.
It seems like it's got, I mean, I don't want it real hot, but a little hotter.
Okay, I'm on it.
Oh,
Ooh, it's getting closer to evening. We got a nice warm fire. And look right there. Oh my God.
the fire.
That fire's hot. And we got the sunset going on.
Oops, I dropped a piece.
I'll be back with more of it. We got a lot of clouds and dirt in the air here in Arizona, so we get some pretty cool sunsets. Yeah, the sunset's not a big deal tonight, but it's still real pretty. But the cool thing is, oh geez, look at this. My friends, nothing's sticking. For years, people have tried to make the best pot, the best this, the best that. The best thing's still a good old Dutch oven out in the brush. Yeah, we cheated and got some Kingsford charcoal here, but other than that, this is just serious outback cooking. And there's our sunset. I'm going to come back because I think it'll get better.
Well, it changes. It can change so quick. I've seen it. It's so beautiful.
Like she said, simple as that. So I'll be back to show you some more. And tomorrow we're going to try to find a nugget. But you know what? Right now I could care less about gold nuggets. We're hoping for a good sunset. I'm hoping for a good dinner, and I see it right there. And Bruno is begging, and the other 3 Chihuahuas are done, man. They're toast. They're in the new shack. See you in a minute.
Oh, God,
My friends, the coyotes are howling in the distance. Can you hear that?
we could easily fall over in this thing.
Tammy's in the background. Wow. There's a family group over here. You can hear them talking. Looks like it's still snowing up that way. Far north. Big old puffy clouds. Poof! Oh my.
I think it's done.
I think it's done too. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we got cows a little nervous about them coyotes, it sounds like.
I would be.
Alrighty, this is not the big show we usually get here. With the contrast between the blues and the pinks.
Which
And
is
off into the
gases in
gray.
air.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
And supper is done, I think.
Cool.
It needs to be done cooking. We could take it off the coals.
Oop, supper's done, gotta go, bye.
Snow and no snow.
No snow.
Yeah, it's snow where Dixie, or not Dixie, Lori lives. I don't have to deal with snow anymore. That's kind of great. It really is.
Campfire babble, my friends. We're doing that right now. And there's that food over there in that. See it right there in that Dutch oven. I'm gonna have me some of that in a minute. And behind us, we got the sunset, what's left of it. And over there, we got the Tammy. And then we're back to the campfire. Oh, and it's a nice one. Man, I got the dark head going on, but hey, that's it for tonight's video. So I'm gonna eat some dinner and go to bed, and tomorrow try to find a nugget. So for me and Tammy, right over there, it's good night. Nugget shooter out for day 1 at the LSD with the new camper. Oh, LSD means Little San Domingo. Okay, not the drug. See ya. Nugget shooter out.